You've probably heard about vitamin D3, especially when people talk about strong bones or getting enough sun. But have you ever wondered what this vitamin actually does inside your body? Let me tell you, it's way more important than most people realize. Vitamin D3 is like a helper that your body depends on for a bunch of important jobs. First, let's talk about bones. You might already know that calcium is what makes your bones strong, but without vitamin D3, your body can't absorb calcium properly. It's like having a bunch of bricks without any cement. So even if you drink milk or take calcium supplements, they won't do much good if your vitamin D3 levels are low. But here's something you might not know, vitamin D3 also plays a big role in your immune system. It helps your body fight off viruses and infections. That means if you're someone who often catches colds or feels run down, you might want to check if you're getting enough D3. It helps your immune cells work the way they're supposed to, so your body stays strong from the inside out. It's also connected to your mood. Low levels of vitamin D3 have been linked to feelings of sadness or lack of energy. Some people even call it the sunshine vitamin because your body makes it when your skin gets sunlight, and just like sunshine, it can help lift your mood. That's why people who don't get much sun often take D3 supplements to help them feel better mentally and emotionally. And there's more, it also supports heart health, brain function, and even muscle strength. That's why doctors often recommend it for older adults to help prevent falls or weakness. The best way to get vitamin D3 is through sunlight, but not everyone gets enough, especially if you spend a lot of time indoors. That's where food and supplements come in. Fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk can help, but sometimes taking a D3 supplement is the easiest way to make sure your body gets what it needs. So next time you think about vitamins, don't underestimate D3. It's small, but it plays a huge role in keeping your body balanced, strong, and healthy every single day.